Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about a very important topic which is design thinking. If you are an entrepreneur or an engineer or in the profession who creates a new products, whether it is digital or is a physical products, or you provide some service, then this video is very important for you. It gives you a framework to think about your services or products that you are creating. Stay tuned, we will meet after an intro. Hello! This video is all about a thinking process. This framework is used widely by all the creators, all the entrepreneurs in the world. This gives a very concrete way how we can create a product or service which is liked by our users. It has a 5-step process. Before diving deep, let's talk about why we should use this framework. It is because it gives an empathetic way where you can understand your customers. You can know what problems your customers are facing, what pain they are going through. As you know, any product or service should be created to solve the problems of your users. It could be pain problem or it could be a pleasure problem. So you have to decide when you are solving a problem whether it is painful to the user or it's a pleasure for the user, and in both ways you can get your attention of your customer. So let me talk now about the 5-step process of this particular framework. The first step is empathize. It means first go into the shoes of your customer and see what problems they are facing and why that particular problem is faced. Either they might be following one particular workflow in their day-to-day, then either there is no alternative or the process is too tedious, which is causing pain to the customer. Now, your job as a entrepreneur or a product developer or service developer is to understand your customer. You might have heard in all the big companies that they focus on the customer, obsession about the customer, and that's the logo of Amazon. Once you start empathizing your customers, then you will start feeling their pain, and with that you know what is the right product or service that you have to create. With this, let's go to a second step, which is define. Now what we have to define the problem based on the insights that you got when you started empathizing your customers. You might have collected some data. Based on that data, understand and define the exact problem so that you can have a clear-cut goal for your product. This will help not only you to solve the customer problem, but also the team which is trying to create a solution to this problem. They know what are the different contexts in which they have to create a solution. With this, we comes to the third step, which is ideate. Ideation is important. This is because we have defined the problem after empathizing with the customer. Now we are moving to the solution space. And moving from this problem to the solution space is very, very important. In this journey of transition, you have to think with open-minded. You try to develop different solution, not just in the context of that particular problem. And here the empathy will again help. You will go in the shoes of your customer and see why they are following what they are following. Is there a completely new way to solve that particular problem, or there is some existing way that we can improve on it by reducing time or by simplification? And once you develop your solution space, it's important to create a small prototype. Our fourth stage. In this stage, we create a minimal prototype which help others and especially our customers to understand the solution, and they can feel that particular solution and see what we are building. It may not be complete, it may not be perfect, but it should give us a sense what we are building. This will help us to save a lot of time while building a product and which is rejected by the customer. So prototype help a lot. We can get some initial customers, and we are sure after we build this product or service, there will be someone who will be buying with us. Now, which is our fifth step, test. Once we build the prototype, we build a minimum viable product, we go to our customers and ask them to use it and test if it is working, if it is solving the problem that they are facing. This will help us as a company or as an entrepreneur or as an organization to build a right product for the right people. So in short, I will summarize whole framework. There are 5 steps, and the first step is empathize. Second step is define the problem. Third step is ideate about the solutions and different solutions. Fourth step is about prototyping, creating a basic product or service. And the last but important step is fifth step, which is test. Without test, it was a waste of effort. So test with our customer, the real customer, where they can provide feedback. We can integrate that feedback in our building process. So now you have understood what is design thinking. I'm sure you will use this framework in your day-to-day work when you go to your work or creating a new thing. And let me know in the comment sections what you are building and how you are using this design thinking framework in your work. If you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow and motivate me to create more videos like this. If there is any feedback, let me know in the comment section. So with this note, this is BK from Anikka signing off. Thank you.